This is the SAP Developer News for March 5th, 2026.
What is the developers today? This week we kicked off the Brazil CodeJam Roadshow, and we are fortunate enough to have the support of our local colleagues. Mateus, where were we yesterday?
We were in Campinas at Bosch, and we had a great time there building CAP and using AI to build applications.
Cool. Victor, what about today?
We are in the SAP office in São Paulo, and we had a great CodeJam learning about Joule skills and Joule agents and creating it on Joule Studio.
And Tony, we're going to go to a different place tomorrow, so what's going to happen there?
Yeah, so tomorrow we're actually doing the SAP Build event-based processes. We're going to the SAP App House here in Sao Paulo.
And Antonia, we have much more coming up.
Yes, so then they'll be traveling to Rio. And there's more coming up in the following weeks. We got Joinville and Belo Horizonte, and then Tom and Rich will come to do some more CodeJams in São Paulo, Curitiba, Londrina, and Nora and Vitaly will also come to do some CodeJams in Ribeirão Preto, in São Leopoldo, and in Recife.
E agora que você já conhece a agenda, vem para o Brasil CodeJam Roadshow.
Hello, ABAP developers. The ABAP Cloud Development Module comprises of a wide range of topics that needs to be understood. A clear guidance will be helpful to get started and to navigate ABAP Cloud. If you're wondering where to find out all the relevant information, the answer is ABAP Cloud Learning Map, your guide to master ABAP Cloud Development Model. The Learning Map gives you an overview of topics and skills, along with the collection of links to the key resources such as technologies, tools, lifecycle management, development scenarios, roadmap, best practices, and so on. If you're a newbie or filling the knowledge gap, this learning map will help you to navigate to modern ABAP cloud development at your own pace. The link to the learning map is in the description. Check it out.
The developer advocates work hard to provide learning material for you online in various forms. Deep dive videos, live streams, blog posts, challenges, tutorials, and lots more. And talking of tutorials, we're revisiting something that powers much of the enterprise, and that is Odata. Yep, this open protocol remains essential, especially in this age of AI. What's also even more essential in this age is comprehensive understanding and in-depth knowledge. To that end, we're going to town on this rewrite, and we're trying to make it as comprehensible and as comprehensive as we can. We're doing the rewrite in the open, as it were, so that you can see early drafts and provide feedback. We've produced 6 tutorials in the series so far in this rewrite, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please take a look either in the tutorial form or in the raw document form and send us feedback via the links you can see here. That way we can keep our content on track and produce what's most helpful to you. Thanks a lot.
Did you know you can check if your data model can access the relevant data without using an access control? In this case, I have a CDS view entity which has access control defined. Let's check the data preview, and it's limited to 2 records. Now click on SQL console to get the select statement, and addition of with privileged access disables the access control. Your user needs specific permission to execute ABAP source code which contains the with privileged access addition. Now this enables you to check which data a CDS entity results with or without CDS access control. In case if data is missing or only parts of the expected data is displayed in the data preview, then user might not have the appropriate permissions to access the relevant data.